Connected. Connected. Let's go. Black shirt, black hat. I mean, you were 50%. You were close. Bradley, good morning. Peter, good morning. Jameson, good morning. Emer, bonjour. Focus, good morning. Honest, good morning. Jake, good morning. Rubbish. Where's good morning? Good morning, guys. Jake, good morning. Good morning, good morning. No live chats? I don't know why. Uh, hmm. I'm not sure why it's not giving you the option to chat. No idea. Yes. No idea. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Uh, News. ADTX compliance regains compliance. Okay. ADTX compliance. Good morning, Rusty. Bizzle. Good morning. Happy New Year to you as well. Happy New Year, everybody. Hopefully, you're ready to crush it. Mara looks damn good. Anyways, yeah, almost $27 for Mara. So that dip to 23 on Friday was beautiful. I mean, honestly, all the dips on crypto, these crypto mining stocks on Friday, quite nice. Good afternoon from the UK, Josh, and very happy New Year to you. Let's go. Happy New Year to you as well. Good afternoon. Turn off my notifications because that's gonna get annoying really quickly. Really quickly. Perfect. Nah. Alan, good morning. Nuevo. Elika, Gia, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Anyway, so the markets are dipping this morning as, kind of expected. All right. So the if you look at the S&P and everything else, I think we've been running for quite some time now, and the expectation was that maybe we would dip at the start of the year, and then we start to look for these election rallies as we, you know. So also when you look at that market psychology chart, right? So like the first month of the year, the second month, it can be quite annoying, right? So if I can find the damn thing, psychology, this one here, right? So the beginning is usually very annoying, and then once we get to September, October, which is what we saw this year, right? So you have massive boom skis usually. This one isn't going to be the same though, because again we have elections this year, and usually there's quite a nice rally. Uh, I think Rob was on stream and said something along the lines of like cooking the books, making everything possible so we can run. So yeah, you'd expect a rally into elections, but we'll see. Happy New Year, Josh. Good morning. Good morning, Jay. Good morning. Ready to get all the monies? Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, the markets little gap down this morning. Spy reds, Tesla red, Nvidia reds. All of these things were resistance anyways. So not a massive surprise. Bitcoin has done well this morning. Bitcoin finally broke, right? So BTC. Feel like we've been talking about 44, 44, 44. When break 44 on hold? When break 44? Bitcoin crushed 44, right? If you look at the 4-hour chart and you can see all of that consolidation, um, look at this chart, look at that beauty, right? So we kept talking about how we were failing at 44, we're failing at 44 for quite some time now. These are 4-hour candles, by the way, right? Jody, good morning. Right, look at that breakout. We roasted him. Good morning, CM. Look at that resistance on the left hand side, right? And then eventually it broke out and actually held a 4-hour candle. all the way to 45, 45.9. That's a pretty nice push, right? So that's why you're seeing these crypto names do well this morning, like the Maras and the Wolves, BTBT. There's a whole bunch more, right? So yeah, Bitcoin looks good. Bitcoin is sitting at all-time, well, not all-time highs, but 52-week highs already. So 52-week highs. That's not like beginning today, but like this on the first, but like 52 weeks. Alrighty, so that's a very nice push. That's a nice way to start the year for BTC names. So like Josh has been spamming those crypto dips. If you bought those crypto dips, you're happy, right? So let's see. If I pull up the daily chart for BTC here, I think our next little resistance is 47.5. Yeah, 47.5 ish. Yeah, closer to 47. 47, and then you have that 50K level, which is the battleground, right? So he thought he would be nice. I thought so, Peter. I'm like, you know what? This is 2024. Maybe these people are going to be nice. Nope. Mm-mm. Absolutely not. So yeah, we need to close this daily candle above 45. That will be a pretty solid breakout, right? So the last time we had a massive daily candle, we pushed all the way to 45 and then backed off, right? So this time we're sitting well above 45. That daily candle has a long, long ways to go though, right? So we'll see. Uh, it is 21 months, 21 months. Thank you, Josh. 21 month. That's impressive, actually. It's very impressive. 21 months. Okay, let me zoom back in here. So I'm gonna leave the 4 hour chart for BTC because BTC really, like, there's no point in watching the smaller time frames for Bitcoin. It really doesn't matter. Um, so we will come back to that from time to time again. Mara looks good this morning. Any also looks good, up 13%, 14%. In terms of like pre-market gainers this morning, I think the market is still confused where it wants to go to. Right, we have a whole bunch of names in different sectors. This, that, just a whole bunch of confusion. So, um, anyways, LBPH had some news this morning and massive gap up. ROI has been a runner because the company says something huge is coming, right? So huge. WULF is looking good, crypto, right? SGN had some news this morning. Again, there's a whole bunch. So yeah, that's WULF at the bottom there of the gainer list there, right? Yeah, 19%. What was? Let's see here. Anything else on the left hand side? That's S. That's S, and that's SNGX. By the way, that's a beautiful curl. Dang. 104. Yep. Just wasn't paying attention there. Anyways, that looks good. That looks good. So 105. 105. That's a beautiful curl. It's a really good curl. Good morning, Jody. Omega, can you see the chat now? Should only close. Okay. Perfect. How much time do we have? Okay, plenty of time. Let me get the other part of the stream here. Also, I left my glasses somewhere, so I need to get those. So there's a bit of a dip on Mara on the left hand side. Any is pushing still. LBPH has lost most of those gains, but seems to be consolidating at 1250. So let's see. LBPH. BTTX looks like it's holding 21 cents for now. Yeah, 21 pennies holding. Interesting. Okay. That looks good. That looks good. Nice volume. Na, 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 na. Let's go. Yes, please. Yes, please, Jameson. Let me look at bets. Is bet still the penny stock? Yeah. Yeah. I'm always a bit, just a bit skeptical with this one, Gail. Or is it no honest? Honest posted, yeah, bets, yeah. Always a bit skeptical with these micro penny stock stuff. I don't know. So be careful, please. Yeah, SNGX looks nice there. It's a really good run. It's a really, really good run. Na, 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 na. SNGX. I don't know. 111. Oh, wait, that thing looks nice. uh, BTBT. Let me take a look. I think that entry's been missed. Uh, Retest. There we go. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, yeah. I see. Good job. Good job, Greg. Beauty. Publication. Na, na, na. And what's just in time? Come on, first thrust of the year, guys. Hopefully this is Peter is already naked. Ayo, virus. Happy New Year. How are yous? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Go, 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 go. Already been inside. Go, 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 and what? Go, thrust, and what? And thrust, and what? And thrust. Make monies, and what? And thrust. Go, 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 go. 2024. And what? Swing it. Let's go, Sky. Go. Go, Virus. Go, Jay. Go, Low. Go, Josh. Go, Peter. And what? Go, Pepe. Go. Let's go. Let's go, Sky. Welcome. Yeah, no, SNGS looks really nice there. That was a beautiful curl, and again, like I've mentioned this a few times, this is usually what you're looking for, right? So the news comes out and you have that massive explosion because people react to positive news, and then you have a bit of a dip, and then consolidation, and then a curl, right? So your next resistance will be closer to $1.20 then. So anywhere between 115 to 120 resistance, right? If you look to the left hand side, double tops, right? So big riches. Let me get you a link. Welcome, 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 welcome. So that's your invite link at the bottom of the chat. Alrighty. Yeah, no, LBPH is gonna need to get back above $13. Uh, needs to clear 13. Needs to clear $13. LBPH, and then maybe oh yeah, it's trying to needs to break and hold that level. Good morning, Doug. Happy New Year to you as well. Happy New Year. La, 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 la. Oh, Disney. You're okay. What's your position? You're gonna have to give me something new because I posted charts and talked about Disney already in Trade Ideas, right? So you're gonna have to give me like a question before I can look at that again. What's that candle at? See that. Okay. La, 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 la. Here you go. It's a theme park. What price should you enter? It's too late, right? It's at resistance already, Ryan. Right? It's too late. Too late. Too late. Too late. Right? So you can see that massive sell off, right? And then the curl off the bottom above the 9, right? Now you're looking for potential entry at resistance. You're way closer to you're a lot closer to, if you look to the left hand side, Ryan, you can kind of see that like you're closer to resistance than you are to support, right? So that's always going to be a problem. For now, what I'd be looking for would be like close to a retest of close to $1 and see if we can stay above it, right? If not, you're playing with fire, right? So let's see if we can hold $1 here. This is the retest. If we can get a higher loan, then that might be a signal, right? If not, again, so you're looking for $1, right? Or you're looking for closer to 92 cents. If one of those levels can hold, then that's good, right? Hold, consolidate, right? If not, then just kind of stay away. And there goes boom skis, guys. There goes a beautiful puff for LBPH. I hate the way the letters are together like that. Na, 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 and there it goes. $15. It's actually an impressive push. That's very impressive. I like that consolidation quite a lot. Right, it's a beautiful demand zone. Beautiful, beautiful. And then a pop, right? So anywhere from $12.50 to $13. I was waiting for that thing to close about $13 first. But that thing crushed it, and then now it's dropping. But that was a nice breakout, a very nice breakout. So yeah, $15 is your next resistance there. I really hope you guys Friday crypto options and let's go, Josh. Monies. Yeah, we need to play that video before the market opens, just as a reminder. Inject the yeah. Okay, no, if I look at Disney, yeah, I would like for Disney to reclaim $90 for whoever was asking. I would like for Disney to get back above $90, right? So again, this is the part that gets a bit confusing because you have these names that are dipping already, like Disney, and you're looking for potential plays, but then you also want the market to dip, right? So if that happens, all these names will dip at the same time. So yeah, Disney needs to get back above $90. What I like about Disney is if you look at the daily chart, right, you can kind of see that consolidation right above the 50 EMA right there. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see what I'm looking for. Like right there, you can see that little green arrow, right? So, but I would like for that thing to get back above $90, right, before I touch it. If not, stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Alrighty. Stay away. Stay away. What's on the scanner? Okay. La, la, la. Perfect. Yeah, they did. That's rubbish. La, 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 la. Mullen. Yes. Yes. Okay, we have 30 minutes. Let me run and get my glasses, guys. Otherwise, this is gonna be annoying all day. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Already? Okay. I was muted this whole time. Oh, that's so annoying. Anyways, no, I was saying I was responding to Josh. They're not real glasses, Josh. They're just blue light glasses, so I can usually tell when I don't have them on because then the lights are just super annoying. Was better, Richie. Rubbish. Thank you. Yeah, no, I had no idea I was muted. Anyways, yeah, no, LBPH has done well with the breakout, right? So Stuff like this, I feel like it's easy to play when the market is open because you can again like you can rely on these levels after the market opens. I can always there's always a bit of hesitation even though you're building support in pre-market, right? So, but again, 12.50, $13. That was a nice push, very nice. So now your next resistance for LBPH is closer to 15.20. So just be careful with that 15.20. Alrighty, alrighty, moving on. SNES has news. I'm not sure that it's anything that's overly important though, but it seems to be having a bit of a news reaction pop, right? So, we'll see. Ready? We shall see. La 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 la. What do you? These pizza. Anyways, 12% there for SNES. SNES Tech. Always with the okay, these are la, 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 la. 12.6%. What's Bitcoin doing? Okay, still holding above 45. Mero with a bit of a dip, but still well above 26, so that's nice. Any still at 13%. Is VS still a play? Let me look. Mm, mm, mm. Uh, so SNGX, SVG, VYGR, and then SGN. Okay. There goes 15. Beautiful. LBPH. No, I think with SPY, it's actually just waiting for the market to open and then see what happens. They forget who the audience was. Um, I guess. I guess. Yeah, SNGX isn't really holding a dollar, which is annoying. Nothing really stands out for now as the market opening play, which is okay. SNES is actually still pushing, which is nice. Which is nice. Which is nice. Okay, let me look at some of these other names here. Yeah, Disney makes too much money to. Good morning, Josh. What's the best one to jump into real quick for some quick money? Stainless 89. Let's see here. Let me look at SGN. Nothing. VYGR. This one's a bit expensive, isn't it? So SNGX still looks like the better one of the bunch. SNGX. SNES. Meh. What's BTTX doing here? Okay, BTTX doesn't look too bad either, but needs to stay above 20 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on LBPH for now, just because that's the one that actually broke out, right? So consolidation, broke out, looks good. So we're gonna watch this one into the open, and then I'm sure SNGX is gonna come into focus at some point this morning. Grand Rising, Jay Scotts. Good morning, good morning. Happy New Year. Futures, it is. I got the day off unofficially. Did not text me anything. Joe, oh, okay. He's supposed to text you? Interesting. La 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 la. Let's go. No, no, no. Any open time with you today? So Yeah, nothing on the calendar today. Come on. Is anybody in the chat holding a LBPH? Anybody's? La, 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 la. Maybe Omega is. Omega still not working? Yeah. Not working still. Yeah, so for some reason we're stalling below $16 here for LBPH. You're holding it, Frank? Okay, very nice. Good job. Good job, good job. Yeah, it's having issues here, anywhere between like 15.80 to $16. So it's gonna need to clear those levels there. And there we go. Here we go, 15.90. $15.90. There you go, $16. Beauty, beauty. 1620, 1630. Interesting. Yeah, I wish this one had a. I wish this stock was a smaller stock, like the price itself was smaller, because I think the fact that it's almost at $17 pushes people away. But it's done really well. With the stop at 15.50, Frank, good job. I like that. Richard, good morning. Emor, yes, you're in it. Okay, very nice. Expensive for me, exactly. Omega, right? That's the only problem with this one is that it's expensive, right? So, but damn, does it look good though? Look at it go. Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. La, 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 la. That was a beautiful spot. Look at that consolidation off the bottom, right? Beauty, absolute beauty. So now we're hitting the supply zone. There we go. 17 broken. 1735. My goodness. My goodness, that thing is on fire. My goodness, is that thing on fire? Ooh, what's the resistance? So I mean, oh, are we actually bouncing off it? Yeah, we're bouncing off the 50. Your next resistance is 106. 106 KBS. Anything else to do? Yeah, alert there. Is there no peace? There's no peace. It's 2020, 2024. No peace. Time for bed. Okay, sounds good, pizza. Get some rest. See you later. Bernard, happy new year to you as well. Ultra Sunrise Monster. You sold at 17 franc. Congratulations. High five. Good job. Right? I do like the way the candles performed, right? So higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Beautiful candles. Until we got to the supply zone, obviously, right? So, but beauty. Yeah, pizza, get some rest. Get some rest. Yeah. Yeah, when I spam screenshots, my goodness, I feel like it's very annoying. But anyways, Bitcoin is pushing towards 46 again, so that's good. Yeah, no, I would be careful at that level. Frank, good job, beautiful, good job, good job. From $15 again, you didn't even have to catch the bottom. I think we when I posted that thing in Discord, we were looking for $13, right? $13 break. The reason why I was looking for $13 is because again, if you zoom in there, look at that little red line across, that red line right there, right? We kept hitting the 20 EME and failing, right? So this is something that I look at quite often. If I'm watching something and yes, it's at support, but it's not breaking out, I want to see the breakout. Like, yeah, we're sitting at the demand zone, but it's not breaking out though. We keep hitting that line and failing. So then what we're looking for is the break above, right? $13 break and then gone, right? 13 to 17. That's a pretty nice push, right? So again, you don't always have to buy stuff at support if you notice that it's going sideways, right? Because sidewaysness can go either way, right? So um, in that case, again, you're looking for the breakout, right? So break, close, and then bye bye. For pop this morning, yeah, cap down, rally up. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. And that thing isn't giving up, is it? It's not giving up. It's like, yeah, you get one candle down. That's it. Okay, that's rubbish. You get one. Oh my goodness, guys. 1770, 1780, $18, guys. Oh my goodness. Good morning, Lit. Good morning. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Good morning, Queen. You just got out, Sky. That's okay. That's okay. You made monies. That's okay. If you made monies, that's okay, right? That's an impressive run. That's 200%. The market isn't even open yet, right? So, um, yeah. Oh, buy and make it stop. Well, I mean, there's 15 minutes before the market opens. People are gonna start taking profits, right? People will start taking profits. So if you're not in already and you're looking to buy at the highs, at a double top, guys, you're playing with violence, right? This is the same level we failed at last time. Look to the left hand side. What do you see? Do you see a double top? So if you're looking to like FOMO at that level, it doesn't mean it's gonna fail. But if you're buying at the double top, then your chances of failing quite high, right? So LBPH, right? Quite high. So for the next few weeks, your muscles before jumping in late. That's a perfect plan. Kodai, good morning. Yeah, don't chase it into the open. Exactly. Exactly. So for now, this thing needs to break above 14, $18, $18.50 and close above. And then it has more room potentially to $20, right? So yeah, again, look at that consolidation of the bottom, right? So you do not, again, I've mentioned this a few times, right? If you're going to buy something that's dipping, what do you need to see? Well, number one, I need to see consolidation. I'm not just buying because, right? Because I think it's a nice price. I want to see, like, I don't need to guess. Like if I look at this chart, guys, if you ask me, hey Blaze, what do you think a good entry is for this stock? I don't know what the entry is. I don't care what the entry is. What do I need to see though to tell me that okay, maybe this is starting to look like a good spot? Well, this is pretty damn clear, isn't it? Right? It's clear, pretty damn clear, right? That it's consolidating. That's step number one. Okay, now step number two, can we start to curl back up to give me signs that it's holding and it's trying to go back up? Cool, right? Breakout, $13. The rest is history, right? Straight to a double top. Alrighty, so we shall see. Let me look at some of these other names. On the left hand side, that's SNES, by the way. SNES is up 22% now. SNES had that news, right? And it's been pushing. So, yeah, Josh, let me look at ROI. Do you like it for an entry at 50 cents? Um, I mean, I liked it earlier at not 50 cents, at 30 cents, 40 cents, lower, lower, lower. For now, my only concern is that we're going into the open Kodai. I like the stock. I think there's some potential there. Of course, there's potential. Only concern is we're going into the open and we're sitting just below the 200. So I do like the 50 cent level, right, for an entry. But maybe at this point, it might be best to wait for the market to open and give you new levels. Unless you're feeling like taking a gamble at the open and then making a decision. Alrighty, so yeah, let's see what happens at the open. Alrighty. So LBPH is failing at 1840, 1850. Surprised? Nope. Again, look to the left hand side. Same level we failed at is the same level we're kind of struggling at. The one good thing about this though is that it's holding the 200. It's holding the beautiful blue line, right? Look at that blue line. Holding up really nicely. Happy New Year, Pep. Let's go. What indicator is on my screen, Juan? This is the bull bear algo. So that's care for me. Dinestis, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, let me make sure we're ready to go. Uh, edit, edit, edit. SNGX. Okay, so what do we have going to the open here? SNGX looks interesting, doesn't it? If that thing can find a way to really consolidate above $1, I think that would be good. I still feel like that thing is going to do something today. Do something. Something. Just needs the time though. 50, almost 54 for ROI. ROI. Okay. Just setting up some of these stocks that I like going into the open. And LBPH is not giving up. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, I mean, what we did there was basically retest the double top again, right? So nothing's been broken. It's still the same resistance. And SNGX. My goodness. Richard, good morning. Happy New Year. More fire, more flames, more rockets. There we go. So that thing needs to break above 1840 and stay above 1840, and then you're potentially looking for a push to $20. Again, be very careful though, because we are approaching the open. There's 9 minutes left, right? You might see people start to take profits aggressively. So be careful. Alrighty? And then oh, give me nap time. No, we want chaos and then nap time after lunch. After lunch, Josh. Uh, Perfect. Okay. I'm all in. Okay, good. We want chaos and then we want slow down for lunchtime. No, 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 no. What are we doing here? Yeah, I'm liking what SNGX is doing here going into the open, right? So I like that we're creating that support above $1. Good morning, Wizard. I like that we're creating support above $1 for SNGX. So that's definitely on the list going into the open. ROI, again, resistance at the 200, a lot of supply. So maybe 50 cents and then a bounce again, right? SGN isn't really doing much there on the right hand side, but it is holding $1.45. VYGR doesn't look too bad, but it's an expensive stock, so not sure how that's going to behave. And there goes that thing is trying to break. My goodness, LBPH, it's fighting the break. Hey, one, oh, there goes $19. My goodness, my goodness. We there goes 19. Oh my goodness. Right. As soon as that thing broke above resistance, big green candle. Big green candle. Wow, 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 wow. So that thing failed at the double top, came back down to retest the blue line, the blue line, the blue line, the right, and then a push all the way to $19.50. So pretty damn close to the target. Hmm. Good morning, Dan. Ayo. Set for the test, Joe. Yeah, we can test that and hold at the open, and then maybe that's a bit more appealing, Now when it's running to the 200 and supply. Bitcoin still looks good. Nothing happening there. SNGX is playing too many games for my liking. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. So the most exciting name going into the open is the one that looked the best, but the damn stupid thing was expensive, wasn't it? So this was the only obstacle with this one, right? Everything was perfect except for the price. Except for the damn price, which is okay, right? So you just have to play the technicals, play the levels. Uh, yeah. What's the blue line and the red line representing? So the blue line is your 9 EMA. I have multiple red lines. One is the 20, the other one is the kernel. Yeah, I'm guessing these are moving averages. Yeah, so the blue one is the 9 EMA. Yeah, and then red is the 200. Yeah, no, red is the either the kernel or the 20. I have two red lines, two reds. When I mentioned the red line earlier, so this little red line at the bottom there, so that was the actually both, right? The 20, the thick red line, that's the 20. The lighter red line that went from red to green, that's the kernel. Yeah, the 20. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. 20. Yeah, the blue line is I mean, look at the beauty. Look at that blue line. Look at that blue line. La 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 la. And keep in mind, like blue lines are blue. Well, the moving averages are they only important as long as they're holding, right? Only important as long as they're holding. So if I'm watching the 20, the only reason why this red line is important is because it's acting as resistance. So then I have to pay attention to that line. It might have been the 9, it might have been the 50, the gold looking line. It might have been the 200, it might have been the VWAP. As long as it's giving you a reason to watch it, that's all that matters, right? If we're holding the blue line on the way up, that's all that matters. If we're retesting the 20 and holding the 20, that's all that matters, right? So never rely on a moving average and say, you know what, I'm gonna buy because it just got it. It's not important. If it's not like giving you signs of like either testing as support or failing as resistance. Alrighty. So there goes your retest of 50 cents for ROI. Surprise? Not really. Not really. La, 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 la. Okay. La, 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 la. Okay, perfect. For 100% Joe. Oh my goodness, look at that 50 cent retest there. 50 cent retest, immediate pop to 52. The issue with that though is the low flow. That's why it's moving like that, but nice little push. So we have 3 minutes before the market opens, guys. It is 2024. And if 50, yeah, that's the one, that's the Kathy Woods one, isn't it, Josh? Oh my goodness, look at that thing. 50, 53, 54, guys. Oh wow. Dang. Oh my goodness. That's an aggressive bounce. Did anybody buy 50 cents? Um, Again, I still don't like the way that the stock is moving with the bid and the ask, but that's a really nice push. You did, Sky? Good job. Crushing it. Crushing it. So hopefully, again, the hope for ROI is that we stay above the damn 50 cent level. That's it. Right? Stay above 50 cents all day today. Stay above 50 cents and then give us a push. So yeah, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. before the market opens on in 2024, the first day of the market opening. I would really appreciate it if you could take a second and smash a like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, share the link as well if you want to already. And yeah, so again, smash a like. It really, really helps. I would really appreciate that. That's a that's your gift to me in the first day of 2024. Alrighty. And if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Alrighty, and become a member. Cool, cool. I mean, with ROI, you can see what it's doing, right? It's basically just going like it's in a range, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Same exact thing, right? 50 cents to 54, back to 50 cents, back to 54, back to 50 cents. Somebody is scalping this thing up and down. So we have less than a minute left. I'm sure the most volatility we see will be on one of these names, right? So LBPH, SNGX, SNGX, or ROI. So these are the three names we're watching going into the open here. Yeah. At the open, it's gapping up already, West. Not the best time to buy calls on a gap up. Oh my goodness, Josh. Happy New Year. Let's go. Thank you very much, Josh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we are officially open, guys. Officially open. First market open. Don't feel the need to rush, guys, please, already. We have 256 trading days in a year, so this is day one. So no need to rush at the open, please. There we go, guys. $20. Oh my goodness. There's that $20 push. $20 push. Oh my goodness. That thing hit $20.40. Dang. $20. That's a very I wasted no time. Yup, Ryan. Oh my goodness. And it's not stopping, is it? Oh my goodness, guys. It is not stopping. When halt? When halt? When halt? When halt? Oh my days. When halt? No time wasted immediately. So highs of 2150. That's a pretty nice push, actually. Oh my days. That's a very nice push. Nothing happening here, nothing happening there, nothing happening there, nothing happening there. There's dipskis all over the place. Dipskis happening all over the place. SNGX still looks interesting, actually. Yeah. SNGX is hitting. There we go, SNGX. 107. I do like the way it's been holding between in and around $1, closing these candles above $1. I like that. It's actually been closing these candles above $1 since for the last 30 minutes now. It's been closing candles above $1, which is nice. LBPH is dipping now, so not a massive surprise. Good morning, Singh. Right, immediate rocket at the open. Right, so 28. Happy. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. So there goes 109. Super slow. You would almost think that this thing like had a huge float, but the float isn't that big. It's 10 million, but it moves like a heavy float. Yeah. Mera Yogi. Yeah. All these gap ups. All these gap ups need deep skis. Deep skis. Puts are for winners. Yes, yes. Let me take a look here actually. Let's go, Josh. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. La, 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 la. Perfect. Okay. So we hit $21 and then backed off. I'm surprised this thing never halted. Not once, which is really interesting. So now if you're looking for a brand new position on LBPH, What I would like to see is this thing kind of find a way to stay above $18. If it can consolidate above $18, I would, again, you need to give it time though, right? To actually consolidate. Alrighty. If it's not consolidating, then leave it alone until it does. Right. So, but this technically is a retest of the previous breakout zone, right? Like anywhere around this area, right? Anywhere around this zone, $18, that's a retest of the previous breakout. That's the double top, right? So if it can stay above $18, that's a good thing. And for now, it looks like it kind of is, right? So, but again, I'd like to see some consolidation and a green candle, something positive, right? So if not, let it give you these lower lows and lower highs until it consolidates and then go from there. Again, no rush at all, right? That thing is clearly trending down until it consolidates. There goes SNGX, guys. Surprise! Nope. Right. I think the surprise for this thing was how slow it actually was, but that's a nice push, right? So so now you have a double top for SNGX. I think we mentioned this thing earlier, right? So anywhere between 115 and 120, there's resistance, right? 115 to 120, that's your fail level. So at least that's the level we failed at quite a bit this morning, right? Again, I like the stock off a dollar. I like it off a dollar. Why? Because consolidation. Because that's the level that people seem to be buying at. So I like that, right? So stay above $1. Bitcoin with a bit of a dip this morning, but I don't think anybody's really concerned with Bitcoin above 45, 44. So nothing to see there really. ROI is still dipping, guys. Nothing to see until it decides to consolidate. I wish this thing was closer to 40 cents already. Closer to 40 cents already. Spiking, code approval, low float. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Do, 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 do. Cool, cool, cool. Come on, something give us some consolidation. For now, SNGX looks really nice. Looks really, really nice. Volatility on what? Dang, there goes 120. This is the. I wish this consolidation came after the open. This for sure would have been a signal because this was at the top of my list. The reason I sometimes don't do that into the open is because again you get one candle all the way down and that hits the stop loss, and that's exactly what happened on this fat red candle, right? So otherwise this would have been a nice play. Again, resistance 115, 120, right? So we hit 120 and then backed off to 113. So not a massive surprise. What I'd like to see here now though is a higher low at some point. If we can retest the 9, retest 110 and stay above $1.10, that would be a good thing. Alrighty. Again, we mentioned LBPH and $18. It's trying to hold $18. So let's see if that thing can keep consolidating at $18 there. ROI looks like it's finally curling of 43 cents. Finally curling. 47. Tesla dropping on deliveries. Yeah, I saw that this morning. Consolidations on the float are going to be powerful. Yeah. Altcoin season. Altcoins. Come on. So here's the retest of $1.10. If we can start to curl 110. If not, then we're looking for 106. So 110, 106, and then $1. And then $1. There goes 106. 106. Back to 109. Back to 110. Interesting. Actually, maybe a dip to $1 might not be the worst thing. There goes a powerful bounce for LBPH, right? So again, when something breaks out, you always have to go back and look at the breakout zone, right? So, because again, if you look to the left hand side, you have a lot of resistance, right, at this level, and that's the level that LBPH seems to be bouncing at, which is good, right? So that candle actually almost hit $20. Impressive. Almost hit $20 on that candle. If it's a what? Okay, good job. Wow, nice, very nice. LBPST. $19. See, the only thing I wish SNGX moved, in a bit more of a nicer pattern, but that's not too bad if we can stay above these levels here. La, 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 la. Actually, let's. A cool gift. Actually, that might be a little bit too high, but a little bit too high. But see if we can get a green candle there. A greeny candle. La 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 la. Just distracted posting stuff in Discord. Posting stuff in Discord. So there we go. Come on, give us the damn bounce. Yeah, we need to get back above $1.10 on this one here. Need to get back above $1.10. Is Mara a long play? Yeah, Mara's a long play, depending on the entry though, right? So depends on the entry. Like if you bought Mara's dip last week on Friday, and then you're in a way better position to make decisions, right? So like if you're buying something off, like if you do the research and you're buying something off the bottom after a massive dip, then beautiful, right? If you're buying something that even if it's a long play and you're buying at the wrong price, it becomes a problem, right? So uh, SNGX has to be like one of the more annoying stocks, right? So has all the ingredients, just doesn't want to move. Just doesn't want to move as we want it to. 107. Come on, do we need to chant SNGX, SNGX, SNGX? Come on, give us the damn push. In mirror 23, that's a beautiful entry. That's a really good entry. $26 call, perfect close for the would be 25.99. Yeah. Yeah, it's failing right along like all the moving averages here now, SNGX. So you have the 20, you have the kernel, you have the 9. So those lines are going to act as massive resistance now. The only thing that's holding it up is the VWAP, the 50, and the demand zone. Right? So little itsy bitsy bounce, but not enough. Right? So why? Because again, the moving averages. When you're sitting above the moving averages, it's so much easier to pop than when you're below them. Right? So much easier. So if that thing can find a way to close above 108, then I think we have a green light. Green lights. LBPH isn't really doing much for now. It's back to that same zone. If we can find a way to close above it or just stay above it, then that's good. ROI with a nice curl. Oh my goodness, that was a nice dip actually. See, what I missed here was the retest of the double bottom. The retest of the double bottom back to 50 cents. Needs to clear 50 cents though. Needs to clear 50 cents. Okay, let's see. So we'll see. Anyways, back to our SNGX. Come on now, give us the boomski, guys. Give us the boomski. Give us the boomski, please, and thank you. Come on. Come on, SNGX. 108. Yeah, come on. Just close it. There we go. Come on. Give us 110. There we go, guys. Come on. Come on. Give us more than this. Give us more. Give us more. 111. Come on. Let's see here. Come on. Yeah, like it has all the right ingredients, just super slow. Super slow. Then when it does go up, so yeah, I'd like to see these candles stay above the 9, the 20, the kernel, all of it. What a slacker of a stock. Unbelievable. 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 Come on. So that candle needs to stay above 107. Cool. So in 7 seconds, looks like we're going to close above 107, so that's a good thing. Okay, closed. Cool. Now can we get another higher high or just maintain higher lows? So this candle now needs to stay above 106 at the very least. At the very least. Very least. CDIO, I'll take a look. Take a look, ski. Yeah, so it looks like ROI failed at 50 cents. That's not a big surprise. Bitcoin is still holding 45, which is nice. CDIO. CDIO, that's a nice curl. 40 cents, that's not too bad. Resistance at $3, that's not too bad. Yeah. Looks good, Mo. Pretty hard. See, NVIDIA. We knew NVIDIA was a short. Put NVIDIA. Right? That daily chart had too much resistance on it. That thing was primed for perfect puts. Perfect puts. Puts. Oh yeah. Wes? Yeah, a virus? Yeah. Puts are for winners. Puts are for winners. I mean, honestly, to be fair, like everything was primed for perfect puts. coming into like 2020 2024, right? So we kept saying, you know what, maybe we don't want to look for puts like last week, but like the first week, the first month is usually pretty annoying. So maybe dip skis, right? So, anyways, if you look to the left hand side, guys, that is VYGR, right? So one of the names we kind of looked at coming into the open. So perfect dip at the open, actually, right? Market open, expect a dip, right? $10, and then boom skis, right? So that's quite a nice dip, and I think the yeah, it's quite a nice dip ski there, a nice dip ski. Can we edit that? Okay, perfect. Yeah, no, CDIO has resistance at $3, so just be careful. No, 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 no. Yeah, SNGX. Yeah, SNGX is just annoying, honestly. Right. Again, it's one thing to pick the like it's one thing to pick a perfect entry. You can never predict whether the volume will come through for a push. Right. In this case, it's not quite getting that volume for a push, even though everything's looked really good. Right. So here goes a retest of the low range again. Right. So again, nice area, right? But the volume just never came through for the push. Little itsy bitsy bounces. 1885, yeah, maybe. And there goes a breakdown, right? So super annoying, but yeah, there was news this morning. There was news this morning, and then it had a nice push, and then came back down, and then a second push. But for some reason, it just hasn't been able to break above $1.20. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I guess we got a little scalpy, but that was about it. That was about it. So now that thing needs to find a way to double bottom offset 96 cents. Otherwise, it's Dunsky's. And it doesn't look like it wants to, does it? So yeah, watch for consolidation at 96 cents. If we can stay above, it looks like it's holding for now, but yeah, we'll see. Anyways, moving on. So LBPH still holding that same range actually, which is impressive. But it's going to need to get back above $18 and stay above $18. Alrighty. ROI 45 to 44 cents seems to be a good support for that one, right? So 45, 44. If it can stay above that level, then not too bad. CDI was going for $3 again, Mo. So if it can break above that level, then that's good. Then that's good. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I see why. I see why. Yeah, no, CDIO needs to clear $3 then. Forty-three, 10. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so it looks like it's holding the double bottom at 96. 96. 96. Na 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 na. Okay, let's see. Oh, interesting. Is this shortable? You can short it, Jim? Okay. Uh, yeah, just be careful because it seems like a crazy stock. Ready? Just be careful. If that thing goes below $17, you might just get a push all the way down to 1580. So yeah, 1580. So yeah, if you're still playing with SNGX, make sure that thing stays above 96 cents. Why? Because that's your double bottom, 96 cents. Alrighty, again, a little bit annoying how the stock has been moving today, but again, so 96 cents would be your support. CDIO is still fighting here, so $3 resistance. $3. 299. Oh yeah, for ARM for more calls. There goes the break above three of $3 for CDIO. It's actually not too bad. 95. I had a limit to sell at 95 and it sold at 96. Does this happen often? Well, if you have a limit to sell, then yeah. So a limit is not what you want to use, Sky. Um, yeah, limits mean like again. So when you put a limit, you're asking the computer to sell it for anything better than 95 cents. So if it's above 95 cents, it's gonna sell. I think what you might have been looking for was just a stop loss, a stop limit maybe, right, or a stop market order. It has to say stop in there. If it just says limit, then it's gonna sell at or better than 95 cents. So yeah, pay attention to yeah. Next time, yeah, pay attention to the order type. Yeah, yeah. That's annoying though, isn't it? Yeah, very annoying. Yeah, yeah, that's happened to me in the past, especially when I wasn't paying attention to the order. Uh, la, 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 la. Good morning, Em. Happy New Year to you as well. Some tea. Coin is something else. Can we get a double bottom here though on ROI? Maybe double bottoms. Coinbase. Bloodbath. Blot. -7%. Yeah, again, not a huge surprise, right? So, when we posted the watch list yesterday in Discord, the one thing that we said we wanted was a dip to start the year, right? We want to see dipskis to start the year, right? Nvidia dipskis, please. Coinbase dipski, everything dipski, right? So that's what we wanted, and that's exactly what we're getting, right? So the market was way too hot ending the year, right? So we want to see dipskis. So not a huge surprise that all of these things are dipping, right? There's only so much running we can do. So 101 still holding here, 96 still holding for SNGX. But damn, is it slow? Dang, is it slow? I was hoping for something to, thanks to the for the government. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Let's see here. Perfect. Here we go. Whereas, anyways, yeah, let's see if we can get a double bottom here on ROI. So 44 cents ish. Still holding. 44 cents. I wish this thing didn't have a catalyst, like a catalyst. They're like, yeah, something big is coming. I wish it didn't have that. I wish this was just a stock that, yeah. Anyways, you know what I mean. So double bottom, 44 cents, 45 cents, anywhere around that range. Let's see if we can stay above it. Yeah, pole is halted. So pole, this is one of the, oh my goodness. Why isn't this on the scanner is my question. I was gonna ask for more pictures, virus. That's impressive, by the way. Yeah, you need like a proper like account, and yeah, you do have the Instagram. Yeah, virus. Oh yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. Virus is excellent. I mean, like when I say amazing at taking pictures, my goodness, dude is amazing. Like nature pictures. Yeah, he's gonna need to post some of those pictures in Discord sometime at some point. But yeah, amazing. Anyways, if you're holding CDIO, Mo, you're still in this, right? It looks really good. It's holding above the 9 well, really well. Happy New Year, Musty. Best wishes. Happy. Yeah, no, pole is halted. So $8.20. Exactly, Josh. Stonks only go up. Is that the first shot of 2024? I like how you have the trademark at the bottom right. BT. Okay, perfect. Yeah, SNGX just doesn't have it, does it? Way too weak in the way that it's bouncing. For now, hopefully, again, it stays above 96 cents. That's the hope. We're still just sitting in the same range for LBPH, guys. Same range, right? Close to $80. So, and ROI still holding the bottom at least, which is good. CDIO seems to be the one though that's making new highs here, 307. He does, Dan. He does. He does. No wonder he goes there every day. Yeah, Jerry. He does. Uh, unhalted. Pole is unhalted on the right hand side there. So $8.40. SNES hitting new highs. Yeah, it is. Tipsky at the open and then a breakout. 167. 31% for SNES. 31. You know what I don't like sometimes? Close. You know what I don't like sometimes is in the market when you have all these little, like when you have all these little scalpies, like this one's moving, this one's moving, this one's moving, 10 cents here, 10 cents there. I hate that. I like when it's one name, I like when it's one name, and uh, and then we can just play the levels. Mm, Lion, AHG, okay, AHG. Yeah, we have too many names. Like CDIO looks good, right? ROI retesting 44 cents week. SNGX still holding 96 cents, but dang, is that thing super slow? SNES new highs, but it's a weird stock. POL is hitting new highs here now, so 870. Lion, $8.70. These candles are actually quite nice. Slow, consistent rally. Volume super light, but still moving in the right direction. What happened, Musty? What happened? Only because you only buy resistance. Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah. Pole is halted again, 877. Yeah, 877. Some nice pushes. And then Lion 60% on AHG. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Oh, Josh is making fun of you. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Virus, that's amazing. Yeah, you have to. You have to. So it's weird for pictures though. How can you tell when it's copyright for a picture virus? That's interesting. That's really good actually. Still holding 44 cents here for ROI, but it's showing too many signs of weakness. So hopefully it stays above 44 cents if you're in it, right? 44 cents needs to hold. Needs to hold. Alrighty? Needs to hold. Uh, and there goes another bounce of 44 cents. Okay, perfect. To the moon. Well, let's see what happens when it gets unhalted, please. And thank you. Please and thank you. Let's see here. Okay, perfect. PPRP crypto. Okay, crypto, crypto. Oh, I see. That's a oh. Okay. Oh, virus. Okay, that makes sense. Dang. Okay, that's fire. That's fire. Good. Mm-mm. Yeah, no, that's really good. La 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 la. So Pole is still halted at 877. Come on, we need some fire. We need some fire in the markets. You're loving Pole, Rosaline. Congratulations. Good job. Yeah, the only concern with Pole is the low volume. So you can kind of see the way that the candles are, with the massive wicks. Other than that, though, the stock has done really well today. Done really, really well. Uh, Come on. Hi, JA. What's your question for dogs? Yeah, so AHG doesn't look too bad. It's not really doing much though. It's stalling at resistance. Choi? Choices for life? Um, no, it's done really well. It's up 60%, 62%. It's holding the 9, which is good. As long as it stays above $1.17, it looks good for now. Again, if you're looking for a brand new position, then that's when it becomes a problem because it's up 62% already. Right? If you're in it though, then just set a stop loss and you should be okay. Alrighty. CDIO, yeah, no, failing at $3. Not a massive surprise. Look at SNGX, like such an annoying stock. It's holding the levels and it should have done well, but nope, nothing. Super slow. Super slow. Yeah, really failed. Yeah. There goes the on hold. So 970. Yeah, highs of 970, 975 for ROI, NXU. Yeah, when you play with these micro penny stocks, though, you have to be they're trash, right? So then you really have to be careful. There goes $10. Good morning, Angelina. Is SNTI going up? I'm not sure. I'd have to take a look. So $10.18, 10.50. Oh my goodness, 10.60, 75%. Dang, pull. The other one, funny enough, is well, not funny, but it's going down. AHG is actually going down as this one is going up. So pull. Let's go pull to the moon. Oh, they actually had news today. Yeah, was it good news though, Musty? Was it good news? Now all-time lows. Yeah, yeah. Like it's still a penny stock. It's like bets and all these rubbish penny stocks. You know. Your entry was 55 cents. SNCI. Let me take a look. Production finishes 2023 by kicking off production of EV charging. So yeah, EV charging. See, like stuff like that, though, Musty. Nobody believes. There's no competition for EV charging, is there? There's no competition. Look at ChargePoint and how Tesla killed the damn stock. So NXU isn't going to do anything with that. SNTI, Angelina. SNTI. So you got in at 55 cents beauty. Congratulations. Good job. Very nice. Good thing you're green in that position. So it looks really good. It looks really, really good. Actually, the daily candles look beautiful, right? So only concern is you're sitting at resistance. 75 cents is resistance, right? So if that thing can get above 75 cents, and then I think you'll be very happy. For now, make sure you set a stop loss. Don't go back to 55 cents, please. Please and thank you. Dogs breaking out? Let me look. So dogs looks good. It's up 40% today. Looks really good. If you're in a position, that's nice. Is it breaking out? If it can stay above, yeah, like it broke out already, right? So I'm not sure if you're looking at a smaller time frame or if you're looking for a breakout on the daily. It broke out already on the daily. On the 1 minute time frame, though, it's sitting at a potential double top, right? So $7.40 would be your potential breakout. Alrighty. POL is halted at 1090. Oh my goodness, Gail. Dang. Yeah. Good job, Lo. Good job. Stop loss hit on ROI. Walked away 10% green. Congratulations. Good job. Let's go, Wizard. Patience is key, right? So again, it's the first day of the year. There's no need for you to be rushing into these plays, please. Right. So 1090 for POL. Crypto General. Josh. Okay, I take a look. Position to pull my original investment 100%. I'm now at 25% free. Let's go. Let me take a look. POL, yeah, as long as POL, Xander, as long as POL keeps halting up, that's a good thing. Let's go, Josh. Oh my goodness. This is December 5th through today. Oh my goodness. So that account was sitting at let's say $69,000, and then you're scaling out. The balance is $122,000, Josh. I bow. Congratulations. That's amazing. That's amazing. Ooh wee. That's fire. That's amazing. And again, the good thing is Josh was spamming all over Discord when he was buying this stuff, right? He was spamming it. He was spamming crypto over the last month. Buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips. Yeah. And he took that account from $69,000 to $122,000, right, in a month. So yep, yep. Yeah, no, Josh, when Josh does something, he lets you know. He's like, I'm telling you, buy the dipskis. Anyways, there goes CDIO. Yeah, $3.10 CDIO. Nice pop. Ooh wee, that's amazing. La, 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 la. Amazing flames. Yeah. Only possible with let's go, Josh. Let's go. 315 new highs. Did we want 40 cents for this though? A little bit lower. It's a bit lower. Breaking news: man from the Netherlands has his name is Busty. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. La 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 la. Watching CHRS. FDA news. Okay. La, la, la. La, 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 la. Got away with what? I don't think they have that much money in the bank, Musty. November 2022, yeah. 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 uh, Again, you're going to have to give me more detail, JA, right? Let me know what your position is. Yeah, trying to the 200 maybe. Yeah, so I mean, we had that initial bounce, right? A few cents of bouncing, right? So maybe this is one of those cases when we say like once you go green, don't go red, right? So once you go green, move that stop loss up, right? Please crash the spy already. I know, right, Jameson? I know. So yeah, maybe it's gonna stay up to 200. The only thing I don't like about this is just that it's been weak, right? So we should have bounced immediately on that first signal, right? Immediately, we tried, but then we lost it. So then, and then it's been giving us lower lows and lower highs. That's a problem. I don't like when it does that. Yeah, Pole is like that. Pole is at $11.60 now, guys. 11.70, 11.80, right? 95% rally. That's impressive, right? The float is super, 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 super nice. Right, the volume is coming through now, which is also good. The only concern is the spread there, right? That thing actually pushed all the way to 12.40. That's impressive. That's impressive. To the moon, Pepe. They're doing a 1 for 80 split down 50%. The new float will be something like 270. Okay. Yeah, hopefully when they do the split, you can at least get something back. But that's so stupid. $12, 12.40 again. That's quite impressive. If you're holding poll, type in yes in the chat. Yeah, Wes. Honestly, sometimes you just have to take the L, move on. Yes, 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 Musty. Larry, you got stopped. You got stopped out at 9:57. Oh, yeah, that's annoying. Well, if you made monies, that's okay, Larry. Right? If you made monies, that's okay. No, no, no. Jim, did you short? Did you short LBPH? You're in a $1.19. Okay, breakout. Okay. So it looks like we helped the 200 for now. Looks like we held the 2E day gym. Okay, nice. Yeah, looks like we held the 200 for now for SNGX, but super weak. Super weak. You sold out on the 29th. We have some great talents in Discord. In the no 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 no, absolutely, Josh, absolutely. Today is the first day of 2024. If you're not a member yet, you should become a member. Come join us. Alrighty. So click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Become a member. Come join us. And yeah, don't forget to smash a like as well if you haven't already. Smash a like if you haven't already. No, 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 no. Interesting. Gail, congratulations, good job. Sometimes that's the best, Musty. Like when you go to the wedding for the food. For the food. MSGM halted down. Okay, don't really care about that. Don't really care about that. Demand zone TQQQ, SQQQ, supply zone. Okay, let me look. TQQQ. That's a dangerous demand zone, isn't it? $48.50. Cool. I'm surprised that thing hasn't halted down yet, POL. Surprised it hasn't halted down. Okay. CDIO is actually holding up quite well. Lion, you're in this one, right? It's holding up quite well. Your next resistance is at $3.10, but it's doing a good job of just staying up there. So if we can get back above $3.10 and stay above 310, and then you're looking for push at 320 and then beyond. CDIO. ROI. Yeah, it's trying to consolidate off for Greg of 40 cents, 41. 41. Anyways, POL is back to $12. What an impressive stock. Impressive stock. So that almost seems like a double top, doesn't it? So 1240 double tops resistance. Yeah, no, you need that 310 Pepe for CDIO. The S&P, okay. Nice, trying to. That's the 30-minute. So the low is 471. Okay. 471.36. That's not too bad. I don't think anybody's really panicking about the S&P yet, you know? No panicking yet. This could be a one-day sell-off and then tomorrow, back to boom skis. So we'll see. Okay, and I was hoping we would get, a proper dip ski. Proper dip ski. Proper dip ski. And then we could look for some long swings without having to worry about the market dipping, you know? Two. 12:55, new highs of the day for POL. For December. Uh, Here we go. Dead cat bounce. Why CBD? I'll take a look in a second. There goes 1265, new highs. Wow, beautiful. We have almost $1 difference. Not sure why. What are you looking at, Juan? TradingView or your broker? 1270. So congratulations if you're holding this thing. It's actually done a really good job trending up here above the 9, above the magic blue line. Above the magic blue line. Good morning, Nemo. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Good morning. Send it. I feel like you have a really good entry, Pepe, on this one. Because the way you're celebrating, you have a really good entry. Yeah, POL is going for $13. My goodness. Wow. 113% for POL. POL is really making... nah, nah, nah. $13 and then Dipskis. Yes, okay, good. Good. Just don't lose it, please. Alrighty. Yeah, ROI, Dipskis. This is why, like, I really don't like when stocks are making new lows because it becomes a problem, right? It might be at a level that you think it's gonna bounce at, but just the fact that it's been making new lows is I hate that. Hate. Are you using Weibo? I'm not sure why then. Not sure. And so the S&P failed at the 200 there on the 1 minute, Joe. Little itty bitty fail. Uh, 270. Interesting. If CDIO could give us a nice dip ski, a solid dip, that would be good. Nothing there yet. Nothing to see there yet. They're more or less the same now, Juan. Okay, yeah. Maybe it took a second to update. Optional program, making changes to. Cool. Yeah, nothing is bouncing unless it actually is bouncing. Exactly, Josh. We'll tell you. Be patient. Exactly. 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 Yeah, CDIO seems to be holding $3 for now. $3. I see. Like, I wouldn't be overly concerned about the gap fill, Xandra. That's a pretty big run, right? Look at that, from $5, $6, all the way to $13. That's a pretty big run. So, you should be more concerned about like your entry and where you should be putting your stop loss at, right? Protect the monies you've made. Protect the monies you've made. If whether you're scaling out or just putting a stop loss, if you're in at $6, your stop loss is at 7, 8, 9, 10, wherever you want, right? So yeah, protect the monies. You're too hungry? Get some food, please. Dogs. Dogness. Yeah, this one's dipping. Maybe a double bottom here, Musty. $6.19. Maybe it's gonna stay above that level. 620. Sure. If it can stay above 620. If we can stay above 620. You're looking for an entry. Why CBD? You think it's getting ready for a curl? Okay. Yeah. I mean, on that time frame, it is. On a bigger time frame, it's still a bit fishy. But on the smaller time frame, yeah, I can see what you're looking for. So, if I was looking for curl, so if I bought this thing at this price, don't let it go below 90 cents, right, Elo? So, you wanna see that curl here at 96 cents, right? So if it can, good. It doesn't have volume though, so that's another problem. It doesn't have volume, so that's a problem. So if you play with it at 96 cents, either have a really tight stop loss or at the very least don't let it go. Don't go below 90 cents, please, because that thing is going to undress you. Back to 307 here for CDIO. Uh, keep falling behind. Huh, interesting, Josh. I'm not sure why. Only a few seconds, but yeah, exactly. I'm not sure why. I think that happened to Musty last week. Somebody else. Yes. Maybe YouTube is still on vacation. Still on vacation. SLS. And the ROI is showing a lot of weakness today. I think everybody was expecting them to drop news today. It hasn't come yet, so maybe after hours, who the hell knows? But for now, it's holding 40 cents. Yeah. Interesting. Supply zone. Okay. How K? I'm not sure. That's not an answer anybody can give you, right? How high do you think a stock is gonna go? I mean, we can guess, but not an answer. Even if I could guess, it's not an answer I want to give you, because I know you're gonna take that answer and run with it, and then it's gonna become a problem. Na 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 na. Between a phone and computer, so you update. Okay, you just have to click on the little red live thing. 1 quintillion is what it's going to. Anyways, yeah, here comes a retest of the VWAP for POL. So $10.30. is your retest. What a jerk. Yep. 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 1450 and then do, no ceiling. I was expecting chaos today, honestly. I was expecting violence. Violence. First day of the year. Today's been slower than I wanted. But no, POL has done well. POL has done really well. So if you played with POL, that was a nice trade to start the year off. A nice run. All the way to $14. 13? 13. With the tight stop loss, I mean your entry would have been closer to $10.30 with the tight stop loss. That would have been the gamble. Why? Because you're gambling off the VWAP and the double bottom, Ryan. Right, so close to $10.30 as possible would have been the play. Again, if you're still struggling with entries and exits, guys, schedule a one-on-one, right? Schedule a one-on-one. Look at charts, right? And then go from there. 42 cents, 43 cents for ROI, 43 cents. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Interesting. This 40 to 39 cents is always an interesting level for these penny stocks. So POL is POL with a nice little push there, actually, all the way to 1160. 1160. Puts are for winners, James. Jameson is holding puts. Triple bottom retest. Puts are for winners. Let's go, Josh. Let's go. Does that make sense, Ryan? So yeah, if you're unsure and you're looking for a gamble, you should be looking for gambles off reliable support levels, right? Potential double bottom off a VWAP, off the 200 with a tight stop loss if you're going to do that, right? So again, if you need some more help, if you need some one-on-one time, that's for everybody. Upgrade to the GOAT level and schedule a one-on-one, right? If you need help. Alrighty, if you're not sure what to look for, right? Schedule a one-on-one. Upgrade to the GOAT level. Okay, today's day one of 2024, right? So we need you to do better this year, please and thank you. Alrighty. Let's go, virus. $11.30. Resistance at 11.50. Tell your friends about you greedy goats. greedy. Something needs to pop. Yeah, YCBD is still trending down there. Right, so watch for that 90-cent level. And the volume is super light. Super light. Super light. And you're just watching for now, low? Okay, good. Yeah, it's gonna need to give you a bit more volatility there. And LBPH, again, if you shorted that thing going below that, break that consolidation zone, that's beautiful. Alrighty, so I think Jim took the short, so he's green in that position. Jim, just make sure you're moving your stop loss down. Right, as it's going lower, move your stop loss lower too, because I bet you at some point this thing is either going to give you a fat red candle and you're going to be very happy, or it's going to give you a massive green candle and you're going to be pissed because it just erased all the gains, right? So make sure that stop loss is tight, right? For now, the good thing for your short position is that it's holding below the 20 and the chrono. Like it's been red the entire time. So that's perfect, right? So make sure it stays below that level. La, la, la. Oh yeah, yes. Yeah, Josh. Yeah. Yes, yes. La la. No, they've been here. They've been here for a bit, Josh. Like it's not yeah, it's not like immediately. No, they've been here for a bit. Yeah. La. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. No, they've been here for a bit, but yeah, not a super long time though. But yeah, they've been here. Yeah. The winter is always interesting though. Winter is always interesting. Everybody hates winter. Everybody hates winter. There goes Paul with Dipskis there. So let's see, Paul can stay above 1030 again, right? So this is the third time it's testing. Just relocate the village. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, so let's see if we can stay above 1030. The VWAP here for Paul, right? So yeah, $10.30. $10.70. 10.75. Come on, Paul. Yeah, so you can kind of see what I'm looking for, though, right? Exactly, Josh. Exactly. It's silly, honestly. So for those of you guys asking, hey, like Paul, you can kind of see what I'm looking for, right? So it's a triple bottom with the VWAP. So if that thing decides to go below that level, then you're looking for a retest of $10. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. 1036. 1036. Come on, can you hold? Can you hold the line? Can you hold the line? Hey, we slack on the likes, guys. Yeah, if you haven't smashed a like, would really appreciate that. Take a second, smash a like, smash a like. So 1036, 1030 is the level that I'm looking at. So we're holding it for now, which is good. Maybe a little bit more consolidation is needed here. We'll come back. ROI has done a good job reclaiming 40 cents and going for 43. So you have a bit of resistance at 44 cents now. Why? Because that was the resistance, the support level before we broke down, right? So you're gonna have a bit of an issue there. CDIO, yeah, CDIO finally popped. Right, so this one's actually looked quite good today. So 318, 320 is your next resistance there, Pepe, for CDIO. Yes. It's not an investment. I wonder if I put it I wonder if it shows up. No, it doesn't show up. Okay. I think it used to. Josh is la, la, la. Let me look at this one here. Let's see. Is that like a triple top there, Josh? Oh wow, there's a lot of resistance there. I mean, gold had that nice little pop above, like 2073 dollars, or just 2090 dollars. But see, there seems to be a lot of like resistance in that range. Yeah, kind of looks like it. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It's not the first time, not the second time. Yeah, gold is kind of struggled at this range quite a bit, right? So yeah, I mean, I wonder what happened here on this day, Josh, that it exploded like that. Exploded. Boomskis to all-time highs, and then came back down. Interesting. But yeah, For support though, I'd be looking for like 2055. 2055. Yeah, maybe a cup and handle. Yeah, kind of like a weird. Yeah, yeah. Cup and handle, and then if we can get back above, if we can get back up, if we can actually close a candle above 2075, I think 2075 is the level I'd be looking at on these daily candles. If it can close above that level, then yeah, against the US dollar, basically, yeah, exactly. In and out in a few seconds, Rory. Okay, they're buying a record amount of gold. Interesting. Okay, interesting. Well, the US dollar is pretty rubbish. Pretty rubbish. Yeah, 2023. Oh my goodness. Interesting. Where can I get the Discord link? Let me get you a link. So here's your invite link at the bottom. So click that link and then follow the steps so click the yellow link and then follow the steps on this here in the getting started channel. Oh my goodness, that's a nice bounce. Oh wow, 45 cents for ROI. Dang. Yeah, 40 to 39 cents is becoming an interesting level for me at least. 45 pennies. Very nice. I like that. Actually, that's what we wanted the entire time, right? So thank you. Excited to join. Let's go, Nasia. Welcome. That's what we wanted. It dipped to 40 cents, right? And then we got to 40 cents, and then we hesitated. Na, 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 na. Yeah, welcome. It comes with showgirls yes. You're in a 48 cents, Jody? Oh, wow. Okay. Dang. You didn't have a stop loss on that thing, Jody? Ooh, yeah. So 50 cents and then, hey, entry is quite high actually. Anyways, so CDIO is still failing at the same resistance here. So $3.20. Cool. So if CDIO can get back above 320, that would be good. Then next push. Next push. I recommend Von Mrs. Money and Credits. Von Mrs. Nana. Interesting actually. There goes 319 for CDIO. 320 resistance. There goes 320. It's a nice push. Pepe is just celebrating. Celebrating. Good job. And another fail at 320. Why? Because resistance. Because resistance, Pepe. Yeah, POL is falling like a tomato here, so it could not stay above the view up, right? So if it doesn't stay above the view up, then okay, brand new levels in the abyss, right? So hence the tight stop losses. 320 again for CDIO. It looks like it wants to break it actually. Looks like it's going to break it. And that candle hit 322 and then came right back down. Crypto discounts, Josh. Crypto discounts. Crypto discounts. A coupon investor, yes, 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 and it works. It works really nice. So that's all that matters. Oh, la 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 la. La. That's funny, Joy. That's pretty funny. Ryan, welcome. I can see that you're connected, so welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Probability. Probabilities. Coupons. Yeah, no, today, like there've been some really nice copies today. I just wish there was like one name, that was giving us boomskis. Boomskis. What time is it? Okay. So we have 40 minutes left, and then here we go, CDIO. Come on. 40 minutes, and then it's time to go do some one-on-ones. Some one-on-ones. I'm just looking at all these scanners. The only thing that stands out for now is CDIO. CDIO. 325, 326, 327. Oh my goodness. See how slow it is though, but it looks good. Slow, but it looks good, CDIO. So finally broke above 320. If you're holding CDIO, type in yes. Type in yes if you're holding that thing. CDIO 329. Here goes 330. $3. Higher low 380, 280. Interesting. Interesting. Pepe, I knew it was gonna be you. I knew it's C. C. Yes, KH. Yeah, no, you've been spamming this one too, actually. What's the stop loss you need to use on TradingView trading? There's market. Market stop limit. Market stop. Musty. Yeah, it looks like it did. It looks like just below $10. Yeah, like 970. Double bottoms. That's just a random level too, though, isn't it? Nemo. It's the random level. There goes 332 for CDIO. AOD, Happy New Year. Good morning. There's no market. No, it just says market, doesn't it? It should say market, or it should say market or just stop. Stop is market. Right. So either the one that says market or the one that says stop, and then it should tell you exactly what's happening. Yeah, exactly. Hey yo, Jason. Good morning. Happy New Year. Hopefully you had a good New Year. Good celebrations. So again, like CDIO looks really good. Let me zoom out for a second. I use stop or stop limit stop. Stop limit will screw you up. So I think we talked about this one earlier. That's why you have the circles right there. So we needed to break above $2.60. 260 anywhere from 260 to 270 on CDIO. So finally broke above that level, and it looks like it's actually holding it. In terms of resistance, there's a lot of room to the upside. There's a lot of room to the upside there for CDIO, right? So lots of room. Driving for work. Okay, sounds good, Jason. Be safe. Drive safe. Drive safe. So yeah, CDIO looks good there. ROI again, nice bounce of 40 cents. These guys said they were going to drop a catalyst today. I don't know if it's supposed to be at some point today or overnight. I don't know, right? So we'll see. Um, Other than that, everything else looks a bit fishy. Fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Let's see. 333. Which is tomorrow. Oh, it's tomorrow. Okay, Yogi, thank you very much. Okay, tomorrow. See, I wish that was my only reason for being hesitant at 40 cents. Even though we got to 40 cents, that's the only reason why I was hesitant because I thought it was today. Okay, that's annoying. Whatever. I was like, well, okay, it's dipping without the news, so is it gonna keep dipping? Still with a 1 million float, 1.5. Yeah. Tomorrow, thank you, Wes. Na, 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 na. So maybe some overnight hype then. Oh, going into the close. Maybe some hype. Hype. Na, 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 na. Did you figure it out, Musty? Did you figure it out? Just the stop. What's the bottom of that candle? The bottom of that candle. That thing seems too dangerous. Too dangerous. Oh my goodness, look at CDIO go. Wow. So yeah, this is the only one that actually looks good for now. There goes 340. Oh my goodness. Yeah. 342. Oh wow. 37%. 2024 was celebrating 36%. You believe this, Dan? This 341. Not bad. You're in at 312, Senda. Ooh, nice. Good job. I bet you a whole bunch of you guys are FOMOed into this now. When I asked earlier, it was like one or two people saying yes. If you're in CDIO, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. 96, 296. Sky is your entry. 296 or 396? 306? Okay, 306. It's a nice entry. 341. Yeah, you want to be careful as we get closer to 350. If you love me, type in yes. So Yeah, the closer we get to 350, the more cautious you should be here. Bit more caution already. Yes. 342. That looks weak. That looks interesting. POL is kind of consolidating actually at 970, which is nice. CDIO, ooh, we new highs 345. Oh my goodness, 348, guys. Sky is smiling. Sky, love it, love it, love it, love it. Good job. Early and stopped out. You got back in. Okay, nice, Captain. Yeah, so 350 resistance there next for you. 350. 350. Next resistance. Yeah. I mean, for now, it's clearly giving you higher lows and everything else, so it looks good. Okay, I'll take a look. Okay, I see. Yeah, the best thing you can do, Sky, is set a stop loss and then start to move it up, right? So even if you think it's going higher, you should have a plan. Right. It looks really good for now. 348, 349, went 350. Went 350. Went 350. Yeah, it is. That's some really nice consolidation, right? Xander, beautiful. Green zone, demand zone, right? And then pop. It's quite aggressive. Next resistance 1140. Good morning, Justin. So next resistance is 1140 there for POL. Nice run. CDIO, that thing just needs 350. CDIO. Interesting. Your exit you sold at 341. Okay. Okay. Cool. Perfect. You lost $155. Yeah. 41 on Friday. Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, that's why these stop losses are very important. Very, very important. That's a very nice pop actually. 1725, 1735, 1740. It's a very nice pop. 1750. Beautiful consolidation, right? So you can start to see like the importance of consolidation. You got in at 57. Beautiful. Very nice. Very, very nice. So it looks like CDI will fill that at 350 for now. I don't think that's a big surprise, is it? No. Right, so 350 is resistance. So that's a nice push right to resistance. 35. Interesting. So Dipsky and then back above 340 for CDIO. 37 Sky. Okay. 37. The only issue sometimes is like with like stop losses, which again doesn't mean you shouldn't have a stop loss. The only issue with stop losses is Sometimes we hit those stop losses and then we close above the levels that we need to close above anyways, and everything still looks good, right? Like in this case, it's riding the blue line and it still looks good, but again, there's nothing wrong with securing profits on the way up. Nothing wrong with that at all. Hopefully this one and can go highs of the day, West. Yeah, hopefully, hopefully. So it's back to 337 there. 337. What is that? Interesting. Cool. You got in, Richard? Yeah, no, that was a nice curl. Again, that was a nice curl level there at the bottom. When is it? No, 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 it's it. Uh, okay. Na 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 na. Yeah. Na 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 na. No consolidation yet, Sky. So whenever it decides to dip and start curling again, so I mean you could look for closer to 330, right? Hopefully, but again you need that consolidation. What's your entry, Richard? What's your entry? Your next resistance is 1780. So 1780. So like is 1846 just your personal target, or like is that a specific level? I think I know what you're looking for. You're looking for that last pivot all the way at the very top of the wick. Yeah, that's your entry. Hmm. Okay. Well, put your hands together and pray, Richard. Pray, pray, pray. Pray, pray, pray. CDI was still slowly dipping. 335. And then pop. And then pop. SGN. As long as it stays above 88 cents. What happens? What happens if you don't use a stop loss? I'm looking. If you don't have a stop loss, things like this can happen. Either that or stuff like this.
I should have seen that one coming.
you know, stuff like that. No, no, no. CDIO said nope, 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 nope. Sky immediate pop back to 345. The tire guy. Yep, yep, yep. I mean, or even worse.
Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe.
Yep, exactly. So be careful, please. You got stopped out, Jim? Yeah, see, that was my concern, right? So you have to have that stop loss in there with your short position because it only takes one fat green candle and then boom skis. It's gone, right? All the way up. So yeah, I'm glad you got stopped out in the green there because you might have had the opportunity to reshort in that supply zone, right? 1770, 1760, right? So yeah. And a whisper in your ear, yep. And then you know it's over. Then you know it's over. Anyone in the UK, Xander? Yeah, a whole bunch of you guys are from the UK. Josh is from the UK. Tesh is from the UK. A whole bunch of people from the UK. Oh, in UK? Yes, from London. London. Anyone in UK? Well, okay, that's different than Josh. It's a stock. 348 for CDIO. So a bit of a dip, a higher low, and then retesting the highs again. There goes 350 for yeah, $3.50 CDIO. So we dipped all the way down to $3.34, and then back to the highs of the day. No, I haven't looked at UK. Have not looked at the stock. Ooh, 2065 now, Josh, for gold. What's that guy's name again? Rich Dad Poor Dad, always going on about buying gold. He's like, I own all the gold. I buy gold. I buy this, like that. Yeah, always going on and on and on and on. Anyways, 350 resistance still. Is it in play now? SNGX. SNGX. What is it at? Choo, 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 choo. It might have been in play at 86 cents. So I would wait for like closer to 86 cents again, Matt. Alrighty. Either retest 86 cents again or get back above 90 cents and actually stay above 90 cents. As soon as I say that, it's retesting. It actually, well, for a second there was at 87 cents. So yeah, I would like it closer to the bottom of the range. Yeah, yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah, Kiyosaki. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. The dude likes gold. La 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 la. I think his first name is Robert. Robert. mRNA 12%. Pfizer 4%. Ooh, okay, let me look at Amgen actually. EMGN. Oh yeah, there's 300s, guys. Oh my goodness, Amgen is up $12 today. Dang. Mm, yeah, so we posted over the weekend, right? So if Amgen gets above 2.289, right? We talked about this over the weekend. If we get above 289, you're looking for those 300 calls, right? Well, Amgen is at 300 now. 300s. 300s. No, 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 no. Amgen looks beautiful. Like if you look at the daily chart, at all-time highs. Beauty. Uh, but the spread were too large on the calls. You stayed away. That's annoying. Yeah, yeah, that's annoying. uh, yeah. No, again, Wes. It was posted in the options channel and Trade Ideas and everywhere else. Um, What we were looking for was a cup and handle breakout, Wes. The DJ finally went home. Yeah, 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 yeah. What else? I do like the way that CDIO is fighting with 350 here. That's good. Looks good. Good morning, Pablo. Ayo. Cloudy and cool in Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas. Yeah, Pablo was partying all Monday. He was partying. I'm surprised he's awake now. uh, Interesting. Let me look at the Twitterverse really quickly. Uh, that's not what I want. 2 hours. 2 hours. Oh my goodness, that's a nasty drop for CDIL. NGM. Okay. 9 p.m. until 6 a.m. in the morning. Dang, that's amazing. That's amazing. It looked like house party or something. Pablo. Yeah, on yeah, ROI. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. 45 cents. Yogi, you're getting Jody, you're getting close. I love gold. Uh, PYPDs is going. Okay. Yes, it was in the house. Let me take a look. Yeah, let me look at the daily for Amgen. So, yeah, no, Amgen. So the reason why like I posted that for Amgen and the 300s uh, was because again that's a left hand side breakout, right? So like right there and right there, breakout, right? So yeah, pole looks better now. Pole is a higher low. A high hello, 960, $11.30. Hi hello. I mean, interesting. Anyways, moving on. Let me take a look at PYPD. You know what's interesting is they both have a POL in the name. Pole. Interesting. Not enough volume on this one though, so I bet you people are just FOMOing into this one because of pole. One has 11 million in volume. The other one has 22,000 shares. So you know exactly what's happening there. Someone's messing up and buying the wrong thing. Cool. Yeah. So let's see if Paul can stay above $3.30. $3.30 already. 335, 336. Sky, did you that 3:30 you wanted earlier, right? So maybe that was it. 1 a.m. and 2 p.m. when we are 8. You could tell Pablo had the best time. He had the best time over the weekend. He forgot about eating. That's how much dancing he was doing. Oh my goodness. That's amazing, Pablo. La, la, la. And when are you going to the Dominican, Pablo? 335. Mm, okay. Okay, February? Okay. Sounds good. Super slow. 336. You got stopped out, Justin? Okay. Yeah, that's why, like, honestly, West, I tend to ignore the news now because the news really isn't like the most relevant thing when it comes to stocks reacting. 337 CDIO, so 338. That 330 was quite nice. Sky, good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Already, smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Uh, and if you're not a member yet, or rescheduled. Okay, when was that? Um, let me take a look. One second. Calendar. Cool. Everything amazing, Pablo. Amazing. Amazing. 335. So yeah, SNGX is getting close to that 86 instead, right? So 86, 85. Don't let that damn thing go below 85 cents, please. Otherwise, I'll find you. And your password will never be the same again. So you're finally green on this, Richard. So that's good, right? So 1770. 1770, that resistance, it's fighting it. So let's see if we can break and stay above it. But again, consolidation at the bottom here, 1630 was quite nice. Quite nice. There goes $18. Ooh wee. Nice. Very, very nice. Richard, don't go red again. Don't go red. I'll find you. I will find you. 1796. Doo, doo. That's a very nice push. I like when stocks do this. I like when they crash and just consolidate for a second. You know, just consolidate. It's very rare that a stock just decides to go boomskis without giving you like a warning. Same thing when a stock is crashing. Same thing, guys. Right? Look at the top. Right? Same thing. Look at the top. It's like, okay, why do we keep getting damn wicks at the top? And then why is it crashing now? Right? Oh, why is it? Why stop go down? Why stop go down? Stop go down, guys. Why go up now? Why? Right? So that will require him to leave his house. That's too much effort. Yes, yes. Um, Again, sometime this week, beat those. Let's go, Pablo. Absolutely. Enjoy. See you later, Pablo. See you later. Pablo's still enjoying the week, Still enjoying. Choo, 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 choo. Uh, oh, cool. Yeah. Enjoy, Pablo. Enjoy. You're looking for 1885 for re-entry. Okay. 1885. You're looking for that thing to go all the way up here before you look for a position. I know you like playing the breakouts, but that's quite the run. If you're looking for a re-entry, it's a long. It really is a long shot. Uh, yeah, it really is a long shot. After the epic party, yep, probably. He will sleep the rest of the week. Yep, that party seemed like fun. Yeah, yeah, it was a fun party. Fun party. Epic parties. Anyways, yeah, no, it looks good for now though, live double. So, where's Richard? I know Richard is in this. What is he doing? Na, 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 87. 1836. That thing actually looks good. Dang, that looks good. 1850. 1855. Maybe live double? Yeah. 1860. Huh, interesting. Dang. Uh, okay. Out of it, Richard? Okay. I was just wondering where you had your stop loss at. Not that you have to sell it. Just wondering. You sold at 1846. Okay, that's a pretty nice exit. Good job. Very nice exit. Yeah, right? Well, his entry was kind of questionable. But no, he ended up making money, so that's good, Richard. Good job. Yeah, as soon as he sold it, the prayer worked. As soon as he sold it, we dipped. So yeah, that's good. Na, na, na. Let's take a look at this one. Hmm. Oh yeah. Na, 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 na. See, that one's gonna be a bit of a wide range play. A wider ranged play. The prayer worked. Close your eyes and pray. 4537 ROI. Yeah. Oh yeah, that thing has been weak all day. All day it's been weak. Actually, yeah. Actually. Mm, POL is halted down. Yeah. Yep. POL halted down. Yeah, no, there's just nothing to see there for SNGX. A retest. Let's see. Okay, cool. $9.19. $9.19. But then again, like honestly, there's usually massive warnings before you get the halt, right? So if you're having one, two, three, four, five, six, seven red candles before the halt, that's more than enough time to have a stop loss and have that stop loss execute anyways, right? Because these are some pretty big dips, some pretty big dip skis. Anyways, last 5 minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we should be hopefully be back for Power Hour. I'm gonna go do some Discord stuff, one on ones already. So let me know if you have any last questions. For now, I think again. So let's see if CDIO can get back above $3.30. No, 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 no. Yeah. So there we go. CDIO. So I know there's a little bit of resistance here at $3.30. $3.30. POL is unhalted. Yeah, POL is unhalted. It actually looks like it's bouncing after the unhalt, which is interesting. Well, yeah, $9 back to 9.40. So unhalted dip and then bounce is what it looks like. PYPD looks interesting, doesn't it, Sing? Interesting. CING. 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 Are you in at 750? Okay, you're green in that position. Volume is super light, super light volume. No, 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 no. Yeah, really hard to see anything here. That it's like it's just going sideways. Just going sideways. If I was in this position, I would want it to stay above. Your entry is right at support, which is good. Right? If I was in this position, I'd be watching anywhere between 750 and 760 for support, and then a breakup of $8 would be good. Yeah, it's just going sideways. Which again, like it's at least it's green for the day, but there's really nothing happening here. So then it makes it really complicated to get these levels. But yeah, so support closer to 750, 760. As long as it stays above that, you should be okay. Should be okay. You're welcome. Welcome. Still at $18 here for LBPH. I bet you we're going to be watching this one all day because of the crazy candles, right? So $18 again. CDIO, I like what it's doing. So CDIO is going to be on the watch list for the rest of the day as well, right? So again, that was if you're holding CDIO still, type in yes. Type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. The only problem now is that it's riding the blue line down. it's riding the 9, the blue line. You can kind of see what it's doing, right? The blue line. So for now, though, like I posted in the Signal channel in Discord, I'd be looking for that range for support, right? So if we can stay above that range, then I'm okay with it. Okay with it. Slow, 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 slow. There goes LBPH with another pop. Another pop. 1845 highs. Oh yeah, cool. 1840. 1845, 1850. Previous fail was 1860. And there it goes, 1855. Right back down. POL is headed for the bridge. Yeah, I was quite surprised that it did that, and the on halt was actually a dip and then a bounce. So usually we just get continuation to the bridge, and that's exactly what it's doing now. So I mean, watch the 200 there next, 860, $8.60, $8.60. Here we go, 27. 327. I'm surprised not a whole bunch of you guys are scalping this one. CDIO. No, 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 no. Let's see. Cool. You should be in. You're about to. That's because you're playing with SNGX over and over, isn't it? Yeah, you're scalping SNGX. That's why you're losing money. That thing is just trending down, 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 down. Yeah, it just looks ugly, right? 39 Nemo, that would be nice. 39 double bottoms, and then go. Yeah, the blue line is really some solid resistance here for CDIO. So if we can find a way to close about 325, then I think you're going to go back and retest 330. For now, lots and lots of resistance with the blue line. Lots of resistance with the blue line. Last position, 80. Yeah. Yeah, you've scalped. There goes the retest of the range again. So let's see if we get a double bottom here for CDIO. CDIO. Back in the range. Anyway, so that might give you another opportunity for scalpies, right? Scalpies. Alrighty, guys. I have to run. And we will be back later. CING looks like it's going for $8, Naz. So that's good. It's trying to. Trying to. Already. Already on. Again, be safe. I will see you guys in Discord. And yeah. Jeff, yeah, it's doing well. So just manage it with just manage the position as you see fit. Thank you, Justin. You too. 15-minute is fire. Let me look. Oh yeah. Send it. 46, 46 CMC, yeah. Late side, Justin. Welcome, Jay. Again, we will hopefully be back at the end of the day already. That's the plan. Power Hour. We'll be back. So come back for Power Hour. If we have stuff moving though. So we don't want to just come on because we have to come on. You want to see some price action. La, la, la. No. La, 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 la. Some price action. Troy, Happy New Year to you as well. Jeff, Happy New Year. CDIO is doing a good job with that double bottom, right? Beautiful, 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 right? So, anyways, guys, see you Discord. Alrighty, y'all. Bye, guys. Bye, 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 bye.